Before starting, check out the link in the description for the best offer just for you. Shopify is a titan in the world of e-commerce platforms, empowering businesses of all sizes to establish and manage their online stores. Like all solutions, however, it comes with a unique set of strengths and limitations. Let's explore these. Pros: ease of use. Shopify is renowned for its user-friendliness. With a clean interface and drag-and-drop functionality, even those without coding experience can create a visually appealing and professional online store. Feature-rich. Shopify offers all the essential e-commerce tools you need, including inventory management, shipping options, payment gateways, marketing tools, and detailed analytics. Extensive App Store. Shopify's App Store is a treasure trove, allowing you to add and customize features to your store for almost any functionality you can imagine. Scalability. Shopify grows with your business. It can handle everything from small startups to large enterprises with a high volume of sales. Reliable support. Shopify provides 24/7 support via phone, email, and live chat to help you resolve any issues quickly. Cons. Transaction fees. Unless you use Shopify payments, you can expect transaction fees from external payment gateways that add to operational costs. Limited customization. While Shopify offers numerous themes, advanced design customization often requires some coding knowledge or hiring a developer. App reliance. To implement certain features, you'll need to use third-party apps, potentially adding to your monthly subscription costs. Higher tier costs. Shopify's advanced plans can become a significant expense, especially for larger businesses. Thank you for watching. Get a special offer by following the link in the description.